Let's take a look at how easy the Nook is to use. At the top left corner, we have the power button, which I hold for a couple seconds, and the unit powers on. At the top right corner, we have the volume control buttons. On top of the unit, we have the headphone jack, and at the bottom of the unit, you'll find the connection for the power supply cable. The Nook has approximately 8 hours of battery life, which is just the right number for a school day. One of the best features of the Nook, as you can see, is a great screen, very colorful, very clear, and easy to read. Before you begin using the Nook, you have to unlock the Nook. Right here where the Nook icon is, you simply slide that to the right and the unit is unlocked. If you would like to lock the unit, you push the power button one time and the unit is locked. To unlock the unit again, you can push this home button. It's a physical key found at the bottom, and then slide the Nook icon to the right. Most of the features of the Nook are found on the navigation tab at the bottom of the unit. You push that button and a series of icons pop up at the bottom. Let's take a look at each one of these icons individually. The first icon is the library icon. That takes you to the library where you have your books, your magazines, and your newspapers. With simple up and down motions, you can scroll through and pick a book that you like to read. Again, this physical home button takes you back to your home screen. Push the navigation tab. We go to the second icon, which is the shop icon. This will take you to the Barnes & Noble's bookstore. Here you can buy ebooks, magazines, and periodicals. Again, I push the home button. Navigation tab takes me to the next icon, which is the search button. I can search the Nook itself, or it'll search the internet for anything that I type into the search bar. I'm simply going to push the navigation tab this time instead of going to the home screen. So I don't have to go to the home screen every time. And I go to the next icon, which is the apps icon. In the apps icon you have email, music, photos, games, whatever you can find in the market of apps. Go to the home screen. Next you have a dedicated web browser. At the very top you see you have an address section where you can enter in the address of any web page, just like you would on your web browser on your computer or your laptop. Then you have a Google search, again just like you have on your laptop or your desktop. And the last icon you have is your settings. That lets you select screen brightness, the font size, and numerous other settings for personalization. The Nook weighs less than a pound, is very thin, very mobile, and makes for a very easy to use multimedia device.